Imagine accessing endless entertainment right from your living room. Say goodbye to hefty TV bills. Today we're exploring IPTV on Firestick, a game changer for convenient and flexible streaming. Let's jump straight into the setup process, easy and quick, just as you've always wished it to be. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to Wi-Fi to begin this straightforward IPTV installation. Go to the Firestick home screen and navigate using your remote to access the search bar. Type Downloader and install it. This tool unlocks new channels and maximizes content options. Before launching, enable apps from unknown sources in your Firestick settings for unrestricted access. Now, open Downloader. Enter a URL to download and unlock exciting IPTV services. Eager to jump to the next step? Head to 2tv.store for premier IPTV options right away. Download the 2tv.store app directly, ensuring secure and uninterrupted access to diverse channels. Install the app on your Firestick and prepare to explore limitless entertainment from day one. Upon setup completion, dive into a world of live TV, sports, and movies right at your fingertips. Optimize your experience with handy tips like setting favorite channels for quick access. Facing issues? The 2tv.store support is ready to assist, ensuring a smooth viewing journey. Ready to transform your streaming life? Dive into IPTV and explore without limits. The choice is yours. Join us next time. Meanwhile, enjoy the endless possibilities of IPTV on your Firestick.